Hi, we are Tamagucci because it's a pet, but it's expensive. What we're basically running is a gamified drone that listens to your speech using text-to-speech using speech-to-text and natural language processing, and controls the drone based on the sentiment of your commands. We'll give you a short demonstration now. I'm home. My name is Joe.
Good morning.
Fly up. Somersault. Good boy. Somersault. Move back. Good job. Play dead. Fly up. Move left. Wake up. Good boy. So as you can see here, we have a demo of the drone being played with, and it has a satisfaction meter that improves as you give it commands and praise it, and if you chide it, it also gets angry at you. Your goal is to make the drone as happy as possible at you by the end of the play session.